Hi there! How is your journey with learning English? I hope it's going great. So this video topic is yes or no questions and answers with verb to be. Let's look at this sentence. You are from France. To turn this affirmative sentence into a question, take the helping verb and place it in the beginning. The helping verb is are, so the question will be, are you from France? Remember, if the answer is yes, we always use the long form, yes, I am. But if the answer is no, we either use the long form or the short form, no, I'm not.